English Just.
At the car wash.
Good morning. I'd like to get my car washed.
Good morning. We'd be happy to help. What kind of wash would you like?
What options do you have?
We have a basic wash, a deluxe wash, and a full-service wash.
What is included in the full-service wash?
We wash the outside, clean the inside, vacuum the seats, and polish the tires.
That sounds great. I'll take the full-service wash.
Excellent choice. It will take about 30 minutes.
That's fine. I'll wait here.
Would you like a free coffee while you wait?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Your car will be ready soon.
I hope they can remove the mud from the wheels.
Don't worry, we'll clean every part of the car.
I drove through a muddy road yesterday.
That explains why the car is so dirty.
I haven't washed it in almost a month.
It will look like new when we're finished.
That would be wonderful.
Your car is ready now.
Wow, it looks so clean and shiny.
We also clean the windows inside and out.
I really appreciate your hard work.
Thank you. We're glad you're happy with the service.
How much do I owe you?
The total is $25.
Here is my card.
Payment approved. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. I'll definitely come back again.
We look forward to seeing you again. Have a safe drive.
My new neighbor.
Hello. Are you moving into this house today?
Yes, we just bought it last week.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. Everyone has been very friendly.
It looks like you have a lot of boxes.
Yes, we packed our whole house.
Do you need a hand carrying them?
That would be wonderful, thank you.
I'll take these smaller boxes first.
Thanks. I'll carry the bigger ones.
Be careful, that box looks heavy.
It has all our kitchen dishes inside.
Let's put it in the living room.
Good idea.
Is the moving truck completely empty now?
Almost. There are just a few things left.
I see a bicycle in the back.
Yes, that belongs to my son.
Your family is going to love this neighborhood.
We hope so. It seems very peaceful.
There is a nice park just around the corner.
Really? My children will enjoy that.
We also have a grocery store only 5 minutes away.
That is very convenient.
Everything is inside now.
We couldn't have finished this so quickly without your help.
It was my pleasure.
Thank you for making us feel welcome.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your new home.
I'm sure we will. Have a wonderful day.
At the airport.
Good morning. I would like to check in for my flight.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Let me check your reservation.
Okay.
I found your booking. Are you checking any luggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Is the weight okay?
Yes, it is within the limit.
That's good to hear.
Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Let me see what is available.
Thank you.
You're lucky, we have one window seat left.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Which gate should I go to?
Gate 12. Boarding begins at 2:30 p.m.
How do I get there?
Go through security and follow the signs to Gate 12.
All right.
Do you have any liquids or prohibited items in your bag?
No, I don't.
Excellent. Then you're all set.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.